The different municipalities comprising the province of Camiguin in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. The province of Camiguin has the municipality of Mambajao as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. It is composed of 5 municipalities and 58 barangays. It was founded on 1565. The total land area is 241.44 kilometers squared or 93.22 square miles. The province of Camiguin is completely surrounded by the Bohol Sea. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Camiguin in Northern Mindanao or Region 10. The municipality of Catarman with 14 barangays, the municipality of Ginsiliban with 7 barangays, municipality of Mahinog with 13 barangays, the municipality of Mambajao, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Sagay with 9 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Camiguin in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.